Are you ready to elevate your kitchen game and impress your guests with culinary innovation? Here is the list of the top amazing kitchen gadgets that blend cutting-edge technology with everyday convenience. These kitchen wonders are designed to make your time in the kitchen not just easier, but downright enjoyable. Get ready to transform your cooking routine and unleash your inner chef with these must-have gadgets. Number 9. Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. Satisfy your sweet tooth with creamy homemade ice cream made in Mellowware Crema Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. With a generous 1.5L capacity, you can indulge in fresh flavors daily. This sleek machine features a durable plastic case, detachable aluminum bowl, and non-slip feet for stability. The reversible thermostat ensures precise temperature control, while the transparent lid makes adding ingredients a breeze. Plus, it comes with simple recipes to get you started. Enjoy creamy, dreamy ice cream at home with the Crema Deluxe. Number 8. Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill Time. To fire up the grill indoors and cook up a storm with minimal smoke and maximum flavor. The Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill, RJ23SG, which features an extra-large 150 square inch cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, smokeless operation with a water tray, easy-to-clean non-stick surface, and enhanced safety features including cool touch handles and overheat auto shutoff. It is durable and reliable with CETL approval and a 1-year warranty. The grill offers versatile cooking options, easy disassembly, and dishwasher-safe parts. With its advanced safety technology and practical design, it is perfect for year-round use, delivering delicious results with less smoke and less hassle. Key features include extra-large cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, smokeless operation, easy cleaning, enhanced safety features, and durability. Number 7. Oster Waffle Maker. Add a touch of breakfast bliss with perfectly crisp and golden waffles every time. The Oster Waffle Maker, a versatile and user-friendly appliance, perfect for any kitchen. It features non-stick cooking plates for easy waffle removal, adjustable temperature control for customized texture, and indicator lights for perfect cooking. The compact design allows for easy storage, and cool touch handles ensure safe handling. Cleaning is a breeze with a quick wipe down of the non-stick surface. Built to last, the Waffle Maker has durable construction for long-term use. With its advanced features and compact design, it's ideal for small kitchens or apartments. Whether you prefer your waffles light and fluffy or crispy and golden, the Oster Waffle Maker delivers delicious results with ease, making it a great addition to any breakfast routine. Its ease of use and quality performance makes it perfect for those who love to enjoy perfectly cooked waffles at home without the hassle. Number 6. Philips Airfryer XXL. For healthier cooking with a crispy finish, this air fryer will revolutionize how you cook your favorite foods. The Philips Airfryer XXL features innovative fat removal technology, extracting excess fat from food for up to 90% less fat. Its large 3lb/7 quart capacity cooks meals for up to 6 people, with instant heat up and no preheating needed. Cooking is up to 4 times faster than a conventional oven. Easy cleaning is ensured with dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick quick clean basket. Digital controls and preset programs simplify cooking, with adjustable time and temperature. The free Philips Kitchen app offers hundreds of recipes and tips. Durable and reliable, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy healthier meals with minimal effort. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, using little to no added oil. Perfect for families and health-conscious individuals, this air fryer offers a versatile and efficient cooking experience, enhancing everyday meals with its innovative technology and user-friendly features. Number 5. Kutchina Induction Cooktop. Embrace the future of cooking with precise heat control and energy efficiency with the Kutchina Induction Cooktop. It features a sleek and modern design, energy efficiency, multiple cooking modes, digital touch controls, advanced safety features, quick heating, and uniform cooking. Safety features include auto shutoff, child lock, and overheat protection. It also has a smooth glass surface for easy cleaning, durability, and a warranty. Popular models include the Kutchina Diva, Vitro, and KIC 301, offering various power levels, cooking modes, and features like touch panel control, timer function, and precise temperature control. Benefits include faster cooking, cost-effectiveness, enhanced safety, versatility, and ease of maintenance. With innovative technology and user-friendly design, Kutchina Induction cooktops are a smart choice for any kitchen, offering a reliable and practical cooking experience. Number 4. Yonanas Deluxe Dessert Maker. Transform frozen fruits into delicious, guilt-free desserts with the Yonanas Deluxe, an innovative kitchen appliance that transforms frozen fruits into creamy, healthy, soft-serve desserts without added sugars, fats, or preservatives. It's easy to use, versatile, and perfect for health-conscious individuals, those with dietary restrictions, and families. The machine features a powerful motor, durable design, and easy-to-clean parts. It comes with a recipe book and allows for customizable flavors. Simply freeze your favorite fruits, thaw them slightly, and insert them into the machine to create a delicious, guilt-free dessert in minutes. Enjoy a healthy alternative to ice cream that's perfect for quick snacks, entertaining guests, or encouraging kids to eat more fruit. Number 3. Transtek Kitchen Scale GKS 2156B. Ensure every recipe turns out perfectly with this high-precision kitchen scale. It features high-precision sensors, a large LCD display, multiple measurement units, a tare function, and a compact stainless steel design. With a maximum capacity of 5 kg, 11 lb, and measurement increments of 1 gram, 0, 1 ounce, this scale is ideal for accurate measurements in baking, cooking, and portion control. Its user-friendly features, durability, and reliability make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, enhancing cooking and baking experiences with consistent results. Number 2. Thinkkitchen Pro Pasta and Noodle Maker. Fresh pasta is just a click away with the Thinkkitchen Pro Pasta and Noodle Maker, versatile noodle maker that brings Italian cuisine to your kitchen. It is a compact kitchen appliance that simplifies the pasta making process, allowing you to create fresh homemade pasta and noodles quickly and effortlessly. With automatic kneading and extruding, quick operation, and easy cleanup, this machine is perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. Its compact design and low noise level make it ideal for small kitchens, while its ability to produce various pasta shapes and noodle types offers endless possibilities for experimentation. Enjoy consistent, healthy, and customizable meals with minimal effort, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 1. BALMUDA the Toaster Pro. Elevate your toast to a new level with this state-of-the-art, the BALMUDA Toaster Pro, featuring the innovative Salamander mode. This revolutionary setting combines the benefits of steam toasting with the intense heat of a salamander, typically used in professional kitchens to achieve a crispy finish. With Salamander mode, you can elevate your home cooking to new heights, enjoying chef-quality results with enhanced crispiness and flavor. Perfect for food enthusiasts seeking to take their cooking to the next level, the BALMUDA Toaster Pro is a game-changing appliance that brings restaurant-quality finishing to your kitchen countertop. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. See you in next video.